Complimentary lounge access at airports is a facility that most of us love to avail while traveling. But during this COVID situation, is it safe to avail the lounge? If you don't have a complimentary access, is it worth the money? Is airport lounge accessible during COVID situation? If these are the questions that are playing in your mind, then this is the video that you were looking for. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Many people across various social media platforms have been inquiring how safe airport lounge is in the COVID situation, whether buffet is available or not as usual. So in this video I'll tell you how things have changed over these few months due to COVID. I have recently traveled back to Kolkata from Bangalore and I'll tell you how it was in the Plaza Premium Lounge at Bangalore Airport. During these difficult times, airport lounges are ensuring passenger safety with utmost priority. Lounge is accessible, but they have discontinued their buffet service to ensure safety. Instead, they're only offering packed food. For Bangalore Plaza Premium Lounge, the packed food looks something like this, with paneer wraps, basic vanilla cupcake, and a pasta in white sauce. Though we had chosen the non-veg box, yet the wrap was a paneer one. Along with this, you can get juice and packaged drinking water. All tables and chairs are sanitized as soon as the passengers are leaving. Also, as you enter, your handbags will be sanitized. If your motive of visiting the lounge is just to sit and relax, then in the airport there are a lot of places where you can ensure social distance and relax. As you can see right here, the airport is pretty empty. If you have complimentary access to the lounge, you can go to the lounge and enjoy anytime. But if you are paying the price for a sumptuous buffet, then this time you will be disappointed. In this pandemic situation, food is being served only once and not unlimited like in buffet. So your payment receipt will be stamped when you take your food box. You can either choose to eat it right at the lounge or you can carry it away. During normal times, our plates often looked like these when we visited any airport lounge. No less than a perfect buffet restaurant at just Rs 2 or 25. If you are paying the full price to enter the lounge, which is around 750 INR to somewhere around 1000 INR, then I don't think during this COVID situation it is worth the money. Lounge access at any airport is a complimentary service for most passengers. Very few passengers actually pay the full price to get an access. Complimentary lounge access usually comes as a complimentary service with most of the premium debit and credit, Master and Visa cards. By complimentary, I mean for Visa cards, the charges are 2 rupees per transaction or per access, and for Mastercards, the charges are 25 rupees per transaction per person. In both the cases, a widespread buffet of breakfast, lunch or dinner at just Rs 2 or Rs 25, better seating arrangements than the waiting area in the airport, is often a lucrative deal for passengers. Coming to the safety part of accessing the lounge during COVID situation, all employees are wearing masks and there are ample number of sanitizer dispensers which you can use. Also for passengers, it is absolutely compulsory to wear masks except when they are eating or drinking. Also, all the seats are marked where you can sit. For example, if you are traveling alone and you are using a 4-seater table, then only one chair is marked safe to be used. So no other passenger can come over and use your table. However, if you are in family, then your family can sit around one table. That is allowed. If you are planning to travel anytime soon and if you are wondering whether lounge is accessible or not, then I'm sure this video will be helpful to you. Also, the airports are pretty empty, so you need not worry about being in a crowded place. Just keep wearing your masks, your face shields, and keep washing and sanitizing your hands as much as possible. I hope you liked this video and it was informative and useful for you. If it was, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And until we meet again, do take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.